Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to link your Ubisoft account to your Xbox in 2025. Whether you're eager to play cross-platform games like Assassin's Creed or Rainbow Six Siege, linking your accounts can unlock seamless gameplay and exclusive features. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step to avoid any hiccups. First things first, make sure you have your Ubisoft login details and your Xbox account ready. It's all about preparation. Step 1. Grab your device and open a web browser. Head over to the official Ubisoft website at ubisoft.com. Once you're there, look for the Account section in the top right corner and click on it to sign in. Enter your Ubisoft email and password, then hit Login. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one first. It's free and quick. Step 2. After logging in, navigate to your account settings. You'll find a tab or section labeled Linked Accounts or something similar. Click on that, and it should show you options for various platforms. Look for Xbox and select it. Ubisoft might prompt you to confirm your identity, so keep an eye out for that. Step 3. Now, when you click on Xbox, you'll be redirected to a Microsoft login page. Enter your Xbox Live email and password. Make sure it's the one associated with your console. Once you're logged in, Ubisoft will ask for permission to link the accounts. Review the details and click Allow or Link Now to proceed. Step 4. Voila! Your accounts should now be linked. To verify, go back to your Ubisoft account page and check if Xbox is listed under linked accounts. If you're on your Xbox console, try launching a Ubisoft game and see if it recognizes your linked profile. A few tips. If you run into errors, double-check your internet connection or try clearing your browser cache. Remember, linking accounts can sometimes take a minute to fully sync, so be patient. That's it for this tutorial. Linking your accounts opens up a world of gaming possibilities. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.